Hello guys, I welcome each and everyone in today's video. In this couple of days, I would love to bring to your notice that a lot of members of my community have been having withdrawal proof from recent no deposit bonus which I've posted, and I can show you the chart right here on the screen. You can see it right on the screen right here. And in today's video, we'll be talking about how you can get a $33 no deposit bonus, which I claimed already, and I'll be showing you process. Actually, we'll be discussing about this right here in this video, and all you just have to do is to follow every single step and process which I'll be showing you in the video, and make sure you don't miss out on any steps, any details I'll actually drop right here in this video. For those who are actually coming across this video for the first time, by chance you're seeing my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share, and most importantly, turn on your notification. We should actually do both of us a great favor, because you get notified anytime I drop video on how to make money online, and also videos on no deposit bonus and crypto talks most importantly. And also in the comment section, you can use the comment section to drop the country where you're watching from, and also any issues you miss out and you want me to enlighten on, and also give you clear insight on how to go about it. And don't forget, drop the country where you're watching from, and don't miss out on this. Now I'll be dropping a link in the comment section where you just have to click on, and also the link will be added to the description, and right in the description you'll see more details about this bonus and how you can claim it. Now once you click on the link, it brings you to this aspect where you have to fill in your details in total. You can see right here you have to put in your name, your first name, your last name, put in your email also, and your phone number, the country where you're from, and at the bottom right here you see you have to create a password, and making sure the password match each other. Make sure the one at the top match the one beneath, and after that you click on this aspect, this agreement, this 4 box that shows agreement. Alright, so once you click on the 4 boxes, it will actually turn on green, and it will be marked just like this one showing success right here. Now let me actually fill in my details, and to show you how it is done, now I fill in every single details, putting in my first name, putting in my email, and my second name, the Mr. and every stuff like that. Now you should have something like this on your screen after putting in your email and also creating your password. You can see the agreement have been marked, each box have been marked, and it's turning on blue. Now once you have everything just like this, after filling every details, you see down here that shows continue. You click on it, and that will bring you to this aspect of confirmation, where you see we have sent a confirmation pin to your email specified in this previous step. Now you just have to go to the email which you placed down for verification, because a code has been sent to that email. Now heading straight to the email, fetch the code and come back here to paste it into this box, and then click on proceed. And for sure, immediately after doing that, that will bring you to this aspect right here. And without wasting time, you just have to proceed straight to verifying our details, our account details. Now you can see there's 3 lines showing up here. These 3 lines is actually what you're going to click on, and it will bring this option showing on your screen. Alright, now see properly, you can see account, funds, profile, and download contest and economic calendar. But actually we're actually going for the profile, because we're trying to verify our account. Now you click on profile, and it brings these other options where you see upload documents. So click on upload documents, and that will take you to this next part where you have to upload our details. Now you can see this white box right here. You can see front, you can see it at the top, it wrote front, and at the back, at the bottom, this box at the bottom, it shows back. Now into this box is where we are going to submit our details into. You can see front side and back side. Now before that, you have to first select the type of ID you want to submit into this box, and the next one you can see documents number, the number on the ID which you want to submit, and you can see type, and also you select the country of issue, the country where the ID belongs to. Now once you click on the box, it will actually direct you to your gallery or to your camera, where you have to upload the ID which you're about to submit. Now once you submit the front and the back side of the ID, you scroll up a little bit where you see you click on submit, and the ID will be submitted. Now after some while, after you have it submitted, you see it will show something like this. Your profile is not verified, but you have it uploaded already, you can see. And also for the proof of address, you do the same thing for both. Now once you're done with both and you have them uploaded, just give it some minutes, highest 30 minutes, and come back. You should have something like this approved. Now immediately you have it approved, the next step you need to first take is to create an account immediately. Now we click on these three lines showing up here at the top. You can see the first option, which is showing there is account, and we have to create a live account because into that account is where the bonus will be deposited into. Now clicking on live account, open live account, then it takes you direct to where you have to fill in the right details on the type of account which you want to open. Now you can see at the bottom right here, account category. Also click on it. You have to select the type of account which you want to open, and right here I just clicked on it and it shows either I want to open for MT5 or for MT4, but most important, like most times I prefer MT5, so I just selected MT5 and clicked on continue, and you can see the account has been opened on my behalf. And it doesn't end there. The next important step you need to take is to now click on this icon right here that shows headsets with mic. That's the sign for their support center. Once you click on it, it takes you direct to a chat where you'll be able to chat with the support, and I'll be leaving a message on how you should do it. You would actually send the message to the support requesting for this bonus. Now all you have to do is to click on that sign, which should actually bring you to this aspect. Now you can see down here at the bottom, you can see these details. There are no tickets at the moment. Now you have to create a ticket since there's no ticket at the moment, and the ticket will actually consist of you requesting for the bonus. Now click on this part, this add new ticket. Once you click on it, it will bring you this space right here. You can see these details showing on your screen. You have to put account, and the title you have to put no deposit bonus, and you can see, and this space is where you're actually going to put I would love to be credited with the $33 no deposit bonus into this account. That's all you have to type in, and once you're done putting that, you just click on submit, and into your email, the email through which you received the code earlier, you will get account details of the no deposit bonus. But before that, you should have something like this that shows that the tickets have been created on your behalf. That's for the no deposit bonus, in order for you to get the no deposit bonus account. Now once all this is done, you just have to wait and expect the details for the no deposit bonus into your email, and you should be having something like this in your email. Also with the MT4 details right there in the email, and you copy the details straight to your MT4, log it in, and you can start trading. Alright, so if you actually miss out on any step or process which I actually enlightened in this video, leave in the comment section where I'll be able to reply to any of your questions which you want me to give answer to. And also don't forget to comment the country where you're from to know how many of us are watching and where we are watching from. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and most importantly, don't forget to turn on your notification. That will make you be among the first to get notified anytime I drop a video on how to make money online, and most importantly about forex and deposit bonus. I'm sure you don't want to miss out. Have a nice day, guys.